man was sent this clip by his wife of something weird that happened when she was unloading the dishes in the kitchen. One of the doors opened on its own, which startled her, so she sent the recording to her husband, who then heard something that sent shivers down his spine. Have a listen. What do you hear? A strange disembodied voice can be heard seconds before the door opens and startles the poor dogs. The dog's reactions certainly make it look authentic. Tell me your thoughts in the comments. And like this video, and follow the channel if you enjoy this type of content. Until next time.